Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the short video using the high beat music of whisper hymn like, or in Indonesia we call it Jedag-Jedug music, and the title is Bisikin Dia. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can use this CapCut, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email to get more facility to try this a lot of tool. And to create this video, you can start to click the project, the new project here, and also you can select the picture or the clip into the section, and you can click add here. And after combining of the or importing the several clip here, and you can start to add the music too by click the audio, and also you can use the music of the whispering hymn like. And for example, this is the song that I have put into this section, and don't forget to add the beat too. And the step is you can select this music, and you can click the beat here, and you can add the beat into this song, and also you can choose the part of the song that you would like to make into the video. You can apply to it. And for this clip, I have prepared basically 4 clips, but on the 5th clip here, I duplicate this from the first clip, but I choose to change the position to be mirroring the previous or the first clip. And after that, for the every single clip here, I have also put the effect. For example, for the first clip, I put the effect named Frantic Shots, and for the clip number 2, 3, and 4, I choose to add the effect named the Flashy Dance. So the movement would be like this. And to create the transition effect, I use the cutout effect. How to create that? It is pretty simple. So you can start to add the picture down here. For example, I will show you the step. You can click the, for example, from the very first start, you can click overlay and add the overlay. And after that, you can go to the photo, and for example, I will choose this one, and you can click add. And after that, after the picture being imported here, I will start to remove the background first by click this remove BG, and I will choose chroma key, and I will move this toggle, for example, and you can apply to it. And after that, I will start to enlarge the size to fit the screen. How to do that? So you can click the menu here, name transform, like this, and click advance and click zoom, and you can zoom it into 100% and apply to it. And after that, in this section, I will start to reduce the duration to follow the beat or the length of the beat, like this. And the first step is I would like to move this picture down. And after that, for this overlaid picture, I will put or add the keyframe like this, and you can move it to the left, and I will move this picture up and move it to the left again, and I will move this picture up until fit full the screen. That's it, and let's see the result. For example, so the step will be like this, and you can continue to create the transition effect or the same transition effect for the rest of the clip, and after that the video will be ready to post. And for the last touch, you can add the same clip like the first clip here, but I move the or change the position to be mirrored. How to do that? So you can select this first, and after that you can click transform and click mirror here. For example, this one. Okay, and for this, the last clip here, I put the effect name velocity effect here, and the result will be like this. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try to create your video with this music into your version. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.